Welcome sa another video of a mechanical keyboard. Yan yung request nyo dati sa akin na lagi kong hindi ginagawa dahil nga I waited for this moment this time na talagang mag-jump tayo fully sa mga custom mechanical keyboards before I will share you reviews and better or more detailed overviews. Pero personally, I don't feel na magiging kompleto yung aking custom mechanical keyboard collections kung wala tayong vintage. So this is what I will share to you guys, how I made this or how I managed na magkaroon ng super rare 10 keyless space-saving keyboard from IBM. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.
This video is brought to you by SSK, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website.
Okay, so unahin natin yung una kong pinost. This is posted sa aking account way back mid of May. Nung nag-post ako na naghanap ako ng Model M mechanical keyboard, it's just so happen na meron pala akong kapitbahay na may nakatagong ganito sa kanyang bodega. So, we ended up with a deal that is quite a steal. Shoutouts kay Sir Jeric Ryan. Actually, nag-comment po siya sa aking post. So, if you want to reach out sa kanya, baka may mga tinatago pa siya. Pero I don't know if meron pa. Kasi the last time I checked, ang sabi niya sa akin is maghahanap pa siya pero wala na siyang feedback after. Sobrang rare na Dell mechanical keyboard for like you can take out 1 Starbucks coffee. Ganun yung naging amount lang ng transaction namin with this Dell Model M. For me, at that time kasi hindi ko pa alam, hindi pa ako aware kung magkano talaga ang presyohan. So, he asked me to magkano ko bibilhin and I asked him back kung magkano niya bibitawan. So, he told me na, ayun, $250 na lang, parang ganun. Parang it's just price of a regular keyboard. Then, dinagdagan ko na lang kasi medyo nahiya ako kasi I know that this is much higher pagdating sa mga vintage collections. Ang isa kasing dahilan kung bakit ganun lang yung naging ending ng usapan namin is dahil hindi niya sigurado kung gumagana pa and sobrang dumi nito nung dumating sa akin. So galing talaga sa bodega. May mga proof naman tayo sa mga previous posting natin na ganito siya kadumi. And nagtanong din kasi ako kung paano ko siya re-restore. So I ended up with a lot of suggestions pero there's this kind of research and one suggestion na nag-comment sa ating Facebook na hindi po pala nag-yellowish ang IBM Model M mechanical keyboard. Given na it's a Dell, this is not actually Dell manufactured. It is manufactured by Lexmark. Lexmark is the company na nag-take over ng manufacturing process ng Model M from IBM. So, if we will go back sa history, IBM talaga ang unang nag-produce ng mechanical keyboard na nag-mainstream. Well, because I'm not so sure if there is another brand who made it like sila yung nauna. Pero kung usapang nag-mainstream, based on my research, IBM po ang pinakaunang nag-release ng mechanical keyboard. And Model M, yung isa sa mga pinaka-mainstream nila. There is also this much higher-end model, yung Model F, pero very rare and sobrang hirap makahanap. Like the price is always 50K up, ganun. Yung mga nasa pristine condition pa, like may kasama pang packaging, box, or unused, nasa ganung price, mga 100K pa ngayong iba. So going back to this, I take their suggestion ng isa na dapat pag ganyang Model M mechanical keyboard, ang treatment lang na gagawin mo dyan is huhugasan mo lang siya ng yung joy, yon. O kaya isopropyl alcohol. Yun lang. Don't go beyond that na solution kasi masisira na yung texture or yun nga, hindi to typical ABS plastic na nag-yellowish siya over time. Like the plastic na ABS ng mga keycaps or ng mga body kits ng sasakyan. Hindi po siya ganong material. Kaya it was proven kasi kitang-kita naman dito. Dishwashing liquid lang ang ginamit natin pero we ended up with a very clean looks and na-retain yung texture niya. Kumikislap-kislap naman and nandun pa rin, nafe-feel pa rin natin yung original na feel pag kinakapa mo yung mechanical keyboard. For this, the birthday is September 15, 1995. Manufactured by Lexmark. Pero sa totoo lang, makakabili kayo ng brand new neto at around 5K. Pero syempre, ang birthday na niya is ngayon. Hindi na siya vintage. Pero still, if you want to feel the vintage mechanical keyboard back in the 80s and the 90s, you may consider this Unicomp. I may just link it sa ating video description. Pwede kayong makabili ng brand new na Model M. And based on my research din, Unicomp is the company kasi na nakabili ng equipments kay Lexmark. IBM sell the equipments to Lexmark and Lexmark yung nag-continue ng production. Then later on, yung mga parang previous IBM employees, binayback nila yung mga equipments and sila na ngayon yung nagpo-produce neto up to the present times. Based sa aking survey, out of siguro 30 na replies, meron lang 3 or 4 na individual owner ng Model M na nag-message sa akin. Pero syempre, it's safe to assume na still merong mga around 20 na end users ang may hawak ng ganitong keyboard and some of them are collectors. Pero after 1 month of waiting sa aking post na naghahanap ako ng ganitong vintage mechanical keyboard, IBM SSK na ibenta sa atin ulit ng super steal deal. And sobrang tuwang-tuwa ni Sir. Shoutouts kay Sir. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Sobrang thankful ako sa iyo. If there's a chance na makapunta ka dito, ako nang bahala sa tour. Kasi sobrang nanalo ako dito sa keyboard na to. Dahil after nung purchase, nagtanong ako sa isang collector din. And I asked him, how is the value? Did I buy it at the right price or overpriced? Pero, he told me na sobrang hirap makahanap nito. He shared to me na hinalughog niya ang buong Kalakan ng Maynila, like City Hall, universities, just to have this mechanical keyboard. At a very good pricing na hindi galing sa collector. Pero wala talaga siyang nahanap. And yun, sobrang swerte ko. Actually, inaawitan niya to sa akin. And sabi ko nga, if I will have the chance na makakuha ulit ng isa pang ganito, and may message ko si Sir directly. Kasi sobrang naghahanap talaga siya nito. Like, I think it's been since 2014 yata yung nasabi ni Sir sa akin na naghahanap siya ng IBM SSK. This is the first 10 keyless. So, you know, kakaiba yung kumbaga back then hindi pa naman ganun kauso ang 10 keyless. It's more on this 100% mechanical keyboards. Kumbaga, kung meron mang ganito, minimal production lang sila. And to have one of this piece ng ating history is kumbaga priceless opportunity. Pero this is manufactured in the year 1992, so that's September 22, 1992. Hindi ko siya na-restore. Hindi na ako gumawa ng kahit anong treatment. I take it as is. Hindi ko na rin siya dinisassemble. Kasi yun naman yung concept ng isang vintage. If you are into car collection or any kind of vintage collections, stock is always the best pag vintage ang pinag-uusapan. Once na unopened, unsealed, or never been disassembled, automatically mas mataas yung value niya. Even with the other kinds of competitions, ang tinitingnan ng judge lagi kung nabuksan na. Like they will inspect yung screws, yung clips, sisilipin nila yan. Pag nakita lang hindi pa nabubuksan, never pang nagalaw, kumbaga sobrang virgin pa ng vintage collection, they will even bid kung magkano yung keyboard na yan. And that is what I want to preserve with this. For all the custom mechanical keyboards, like I have the 7V, the Think, and of course, yung personalized keyboard ko, siguro yun lang yung pwede kong itapat na ganun siya ka-valuable as this. Like, well, I can't believe it na nagkaroon ako ng SSK. After nadagdagan yung, I mean, ito yung nagdagdag ng excitement sa hobby na to eh. For me, personally. Kasi, kumbaga, every month, I'm always expecting na makapag-hunt ako. ng isang collection na sobrang rare. Yun yung, kumbaga, agenda ko ngayon. Habang wala pang masyadong hunters ng vintage collection. So, kumbaga, gusto kong gawin ngayon is mag-hunt. And if you want to join this kind of hobby, believe me, iba yung excitement, iba yung fulfillment in every time na magkaroon ka ng chance na makahunt ng isang super rare collection. Sa ngayon, tip ko lang sa inyo, maraming Alps switches dito sa Pilipinas. It's good time to hunt those. Kasi, kumbaga, marami pa. Hindi pa naitatapon. Problem kasi with this model and mechanical keyboards, marami naman sana dapat din ito. Lalong-lalo na itong 100%. With this, talagang rare na to. With this, marami sana to sa mga city halls, universities. Pero ang problema is, nagsimula na kasi silang declutter yung mga schools. So, most likely, maraming ganito na ang naitapon. Let's skip to the sound test. And before nyo pakinggan yung mga sound test na ginawa natin, eto pong 100%, nilub ko po ng konti kasi nga na-stuck po siya for how many years or even maybe 1 decade or more sa isang bodega. So, ang ginawa ko na lang is gumamit ako ng Krytox 105. That is an oil lubricant only. Yun po yung in-apply ko dito sa alpha keys niya para kahit paano mas smooth siya ipindot. And medyo nag-iba yung tunog. Mas maganda siya compared sa dati. Like yung dati kasi sobrang clicky. Pero for me to preserve yung tunog pa rin ng isang vintage keyboard, hindi ko ginalaw itong isa. So this is the stock. And ito naman, alpha lang. Yung mga alphabet keys lang. Itong numpad niya, itong scroll keys niya, hindi ko po yan ginalaw. Ito lang pong bandang ito yung ginalaw natin. Nilagyan po natin ng oil. Kasi gusto ko pong mapakinggan kung ano yung effect pag merong oil at saka kung walang oil. So, ayun. Let's do this and listen to the sound test. Okay, so ayun lang po ang aking journey sa ating first month ng pag-hunt ng mechanical keyboards. Believe me, it is one of the most exciting parts sa ating hobby as a mechanical keyboard collector. Try hunting mechanical keyboards as many as you can. Dahil isa po yan sa mga, kumbaga nagpapadagdag ng excitement, except sa, syempre, sa GB, sa mga custom mods. Pero still, it's up to you. It's your choice. If you are not into it, then, well, that's your preference. Pero sa akin lang, yun, sinishare ko lang na isa yan sa mga nagpapakompleto ng aking collections or ng aking fulfillment sa pag-collect ng mechanical keyboard. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and have a nice day ahead.